Hi guys, this is Maneldita again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we will review the LED Photon mask. We will be discussing what is LED light therapy, how it works, how to use it, and what are the 7 colors of this Photon mask. So if you're interested and you want to know more about this, so please keep on watching. Alright, so initially, I don't have an idea about the LED mask, but if hindi ka na bago sa channel ko, alam mo na sobrang fun ako ni Lee Min-ho. And he's actually using an LED mask on one of his recent K-drama, which is The King Eternal Monarch. Yung brand ng LED mask na gamit niya is Cellreturn, and it actually cost 100,000 pesos. Gusto mo yan? Of course, gusto natin siya pero hindi natin siya afford. So what I bought is just a dupe of Cellreturn since I also love Korean skincare. If you want to see me unboxing of this LED mask, you can click the link over here. So let's start by defining what is LED light therapy. LED stands for light emitting diode, and LED light therapy uses natural light waves which are transmitted by LEDs into the skin. Studies show that light enters the body as photons and is absorbed by the photoreceptors within the skin cells. When you expose light to the skin, you begin to activate the skin photoreceptors and the skin absorbs its energy. This process accelerates biochemical reactions in the skin tissue, ultimately leading to faster healing times while increasing the production of the collagen. This can also reverse some of the effects of aging, such as wrinkles, shallowness of flesh, and hyperpigmentation. The Photon LED technology is recommended by dermatologists as a skin treatment because it penetrates deeply into the skin to treat issues from the inside. So how does it work? LED light therapy has an established history of skin uses. The NASA, also known as National Aeronautics and Space Administration, began using it in 1990s to help heal wounds quickly and to help regenerate damaged muscle tissues. When astronauts go out into space, their cells stop multiplying because there's no gravity, there's no sunlight, and there's no oxygen. So if they got a cut or a bruise, it would not heal. So what they did is they created something that would help their cell regenerate. So LED was actually created for astronauts, and then the health industry got hold of it and started doing incredible treatments. And then of course, the beauty industry got a hold of it also and started doing treatments. Since then, the treatment has been researched for different situations. It's mainly noted for increasing collagen and tissues, all of which can smooth out your skin and reduce the appearance of damage from age spots, acne, and wrinkles. There are different frequencies or wavelengths used with LED light treatment. These include red and blue light frequencies, which don't contain ultraviolet rays and are readily absorbed into the skin. Since LEDs do not contain ultraviolet rays, therefore, they're safe for regular use. LED light therapy doesn't cause burns compared to other anti-aging treatments such as chemical peels, dermabrasions, and laser therapy, so it is safe for all skin colors and types. How to use it? First, please make sure that you read the contraindications listed on the instruction manual. And to get started, make sure your face is completely clean and dry before beginning. Also remember not to use the device near water or if your hands is wet. So what I normally do is I wash my face first with my cleanser and just pat my face and make sure that it is dry. I'm not putting any skincare products before I use it. Before, meron siyang garter na nakalagay at the back, but I remove it na kasi masyado siyang masikip and feeling ko napipisa yung face ko. Since wala na siyang garter, I'm lying down every time I use it. Then I make sure everything is connected. So you need need to insert one end of the USB cord into the jack on the control box, and the other end fits into the bottom of the mask. Pag sinaksak mo siya sa power outlet, you will see na magkakaroon ng green light sa mismong adapter niya. Then you just have to press the power button to turn the unit on. You should see the green indicator when you press the on-off button. At this point, the LEDs will turn on and it will automatically give you the red color. Use the color button on the control box to change the colors and select the color you wish to use. Since it is already on red color, push once to select green, twice to select blue, 3 for purple, 4 times for yellow, 5 times for cyan, and pushing 6 times will produce white. Keep in mind that you should not look directly into the LEDs when you're wearing the mask, and please do not use phone, watch TV, or read books while using it. Each light has a specific function. So what are the 7 colors of the LED photon therapy? So red or infrared. This penetrates the cells that are about 8 to 10 millimeters within your skin. A lot of these are fiber cells, so stimulating this can increase collagen production and skin healing. In theory, more collagen means that your skin will look smoother and fuller, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Red LED light also thought to reduce inflammation while improving circulation, which can give you a healthier glow. So let's now proceed to the green. Tremendously, the green light improves skin and also helps with relaxation. Studies have shown that green LED lights help with clearing the face's natural lymphatic system. This light mode reduces the production of melanin, lightens and reduces pigmentation, helping to even the complexion. Blue. The blue light allows the energy to penetrate the skin about 0.5 millimeters. You can use this setting if your skin suffers from rashes or if you have problems with oily skin. The blue light has been shown to help with acne by destroying harmful bacteria, and it minimizes future breakouts. Blue LED light therapy targets the sebaceous glands, which are also called oil glands. They are located beneath your hair follicles. Sebaceous glands are necessary for lubricating your skin and hair so it doesn't dry out. However, these glands can become overactive, leading to oily skin and acne. The theory is that blue LED light therapy can target these oil glands and make them less active. In turn, you may see fewer acne breakouts. Blue light can also kill acne-causing bacteria beneath the skin, which can help treat severe acne pimples, including cysts and nodules. Purple. Purple light mode is a combination of red and blue dual band light, creating a phototherapy effect. This mode is especially helpful in healing and repairing acne scarring. This light improves blood circulation and it helps to minimize a yellowish complexion along with wrinkles. Yellow light mode helps to improve coarse skin, wrinkles, redness, ringworm of the skin, and increase immunity. Cyan. Cyan light mode calms and soothes irritated and sensitive skin. This light provides a gentle acne treatment and it also promotes the production of protein and collagen. So the last color would be the white. White infrared light modes helps boost metabolism and ATP production, promoting circulation, scar healing, and elasticity. This mode can be used to aid in post-procedural healing. So after you select the desired color, you can select the power level by pressing the power plus minus button up to 5. Then select the time for the treatment by pressing the plus and minus button up to 60 minutes. The lights will automatically shut off when the time runs out. If you need to shut it off, then just click the on-off button. It's recommended to be used 15 to 30 minutes. For skin rejuvenation, I use it for 10 minutes 4 times a week. Then I continue treating my skin after my desired result are reached by using the mask just twice a week. Or minsan, if medyo busy, I use it once a week but with much longer time. So, what are my thoughts about this LED mask? First, I would just like to answer some of the questions I received from my unboxing video. I bought this product from Shopee and I'll be linking down below kung saang merchant ko siya nabili and how much yung price. Also, it just took 7 days for me to receive this product from the time I placed my order, despite na naka-ECQ tayo. I've been using this product for 5 months and for me, this mask is very convenient. Some dermatologist office procedures takes 20 minutes at a time and you'll need to go back once a week for up to 10 weeks, then only once every few months. But this device can be used at your convenience without having to go to any appointments. The downside is that the results may not be as dramatic or it may take longer compared to done in the healthcare provider's office. The color that I usually use is the purple one since it is a combination of red and blue light. I also use red every time na feeling ko is dull yung face ko, and when I have an acne or pimple, I am using the blue one. I'll be putting also my skincare products and routine that I'm using after the LED mask on the description box below. And here's the before and after photo after using it. Major concern ko talaga before sa skin ko is yung dull skin and yung clogged pores. After using it for 5 months, I have noticed major positive changes in my skin. So that's gonna be all for this video, and before I end this video, I would just like to greet a belated happy birthday to Darren Fidelino and special mention sa girlfriend niya na si Ara May Dunyo. And then, I'd just like to greet my friends, Wahags, miss ko na kayo. So if you have learned something and you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and if di ka pa nagsasubscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please mag-subscribe ka na. And do not forget to click the bell button para manonotify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng panibagong videos. Thank you for watching guys, and see you on my next video. Goodbye! God bless!